Configuration process of Magento extension, blogspro. Want more engagements on your Magento 2 store? Blogging is an effective marketing strategy to do so. However, Magento doesn't allow you to add blog posts. Introducing blogspro extension developed by Tech9logy Creators, which lets you add blog posts without any third-party app dependence. Install our extension today to drive more organic traffic and enjoy a higher ranking on the SERPs. After a successful installation, you will notice the installed extension name on your Magento dashboard. Post-clicking on the installed add-on named blogspro extension, you need to click on Configuration Settings to get redirected to the configuration. Here's what you'll notice on the configuration page. Page layout. Menu title. Write the title for the blog section. It will be displayed on the top header. You can also customize this field later. Blog title name. Enter the blog title to be displayed collectively for all the blog categories listed on your store. Date format. Change the date format for blogs as per your preferences from this option. Footer link title. Enter the text you want to display on the page footer for the blog section of your store. You can also change it later as per your preferences. Customized functionalities. Enable navigation menu. Choose whether you want to display a drop-down menu along with the top header elaborating on different blog categories. Enable excerpts on the list page. Enable this option to display a short extract of published blogs on the blog list page. Limit content character size. Set the maximum content character size limit for blog excerpts from here. Search engine optimization. Base URL. Enter the text you want to display in the URL when someone visits the blog section on your Magento store. Base meta title. Enter a specific meta title for the blog section to be displayed on the SERPs. Base meta description. Write the meta description that will brief users on the content on your blog section page. Base meta keywords. Enter the specific meta tags for your blog section that will tell Google about your page content. URL suffix for posts. Pick a file format for blog posts to be added at the end of the URL. For example, HTML or PDF or COM. URL suffix for categories. Determine a file format for blog categories to be added at the end of the URL. For example, HTML or PDF or .com. Social media comments. Platform. Choose whether you would like to interact with your customers using Facebook comments or not. Select Facebook to enable this option. Sharing. Enable sharing buttons. Enable this option to allow visitors to share your blogs via different social media platforms. Following this, click on the Save Config button to save your preferences. Once you're done with the above configuration, let's add categories to the blog section. For this, you need to visit blogspro extension on the dashboard and click on the Categories option. On reaching the Categories page, you'll observe some existing categories on your blog page. To add a new category, click on the Add New option in the top right corner. You are required to fill in the below-mentioned details in the General Information section. Title. Enter the title of the child category here. Parent category. Choose the parent category for the newly added child category. Status. Set status as enabled to add this new category. Order. Rank the number to display a category on the top menu bar. After filling in these details, you need to visit the search engine optimization section available just below the general information. Here you are required to fill in some SEO-related details for the new category. URL key. Enter your preferred URL key for the category to be created here. Meta title. Give a specific title for the category to be displayed on the SERPs. Meta description. Enter a short, relevant summary of the category here. Meta keywords. Type in the keywords you want the category to be ranked on. Once you have entered this information, click on Save to create a new category. This newly created category will be then displayed in the Categories section. You can also view the list of authors for your blog post by clicking on blogspro extension on the dashboard followed by author details. Now that you're all set with the configuration and setting up categories, it's time to start adding blogs to your store. For this, you need to visit blogspro extension followed by all blog posts on the dashboard. You can manage all your blog posts from this section by choosing to edit or delete blogs as per your preferences. You must click on the Add New Blog option to create a new blog. Here are the details you need to enter on the following page. Title. Fill in the topic of the blog to be added. Status. You can set the status of the blog as draft, pending review, or published. Published on. Enter the date and time of the current blog post. Author. Select the author name from the list of options added from the Author Details section. Pin featured post at the bottom. Enable this option to pin featured posts at the bottom of the blog post. You can't add featured posts with less than 3 published blogs on your store. Categories. Pick the category you would like to add this new blog post to. Only the added parent and child categories will be displayed in this section. To add more categories, visit the Categories section at the back end. Store view. Set the store view as per your business preferences. You can choose from default store view or all store view. Featured image. Add a relevant featured image of the blog post to be displayed on the top of your blog. Content. To add content to the blog, you need to click on the Edit with Page Builder option, click on the clog icon, and drag-drop the text element to start typing. You can also copy-paste or drag-drop the content. Excerpt. Add related excerpts of this blog post. You need to add a brief about the blog post here. Avoid adding whole content here. Follow the same steps and click on Save to use this excerpt. Now you need to go to the search engine optimization section. You need to enter the following details here. URL key. Enter the URL of the blog to be published here. Try to avoid white spaces in the blog URL. Meta title. Write the title for the blog section that will be displayed on the SERPs. Meta description. Fill in the description of your blog that will be displayed below the meta title on the SERPs. Meta keywords. Enter the specific meta tags for your blog section that will tell Google about your page content. Now, you are required to add related products to your blog post. You must enable this option and click on Add Related Products to select specific products to be displayed along with your blog post. After adding the necessary information, click on Save to add a new blog post to your Magento store. You'll be notified with a "You saved the post" message. Finally, go to the System followed by Cache Management and click on Flush Magento Cache to clear the cache. Now, let's see how this extension works on the front end. First, go to the homepage of your Magento 2 store, scroll down to the footer links, and click on Blogs. On visiting the blog page, you will notice useful information like the published date, publisher's name, and comments on each blog post. You'll also find social sharing options below the added excerpt of your blog post. The blog homepage will also display the category to which you have added a particular blog. You can also filter specific categories by entering the name in the search bar. Scroll down to get the featured posts of the blog. Click on any category you wish to open. Let's now open a particular blog by clicking on Read More. On scrolling down, you'll find a Related Products section displaying the products you added in the backend. You'll find the Facebook comments section towards the end of the blog page. Here, visitors can log in with their account to add their comments. This extension's whole functionality will allow you to gain more organic traffic to your Magento store with the help of SEO-optimized blogs. If you have any queries or further doubts, feel free to put your question in the comment section, and we would love to help you. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day. Stay connected with Tech9logy Creators for more extension and plugin support.